Please listen to the last. Any queries, any questions after giving the recordings, you go through the recordings. I'll resolve it to you guys tomorrow. Okay? Please go through it. Look at my screen, everyone. So today we are going to discuss a very important concept. Selenium architecture with respect to Java, or we'll also call it as WebDriver architecture, or we'll also call it as class diagram of WebDriver. Clear? See, the names important. Names are very important. So people can call it a Selenium architecture with respect to Java, or you can call WebDriver architecture or class diagram of WebDriver. So any name you should be ready. Any name, whatever they call, you should be ready. Naming conventions, sorry, names are alternative names are very important. Okay, they might call it as any names. Now let's try to understand. Now look at my screen. First thing, okay. First step number one. We have search context. We have what? Search context. Listen one by one. First step. Search context is the supermost interface in Selenium. What's the first point? Search context is the supermost interface in Selenium, which consist of two abstract methods. What are those methods? I'll explain it to you later. Which consist of two abstract methods. Everyone understood? I'll repeat again. Search context is the supermost interface in Selenium, which consists of two abstract methods. Everybody's clear? Everybody's clear? Okay, next point. Next point. WebDriver. WebDriver is the interface which consists of 11 abstract methods. I don't have space, I'm just writing AM. AM means what? Abstract methods. AM means what? Abstract methods. Okay, I don't have a space to write abstract method. I just wrote AM. AM is abstract method. Second point, WebDriver is an interface which consists of 11 abstract method, and WebDriver interface extends search context, so plus two more abstract method. So overall it consists of 13 abstract methods. Understood? I'll repeat. WebDriver is an interface which consists of 11 abstract methods of its own and two extended methods of search context. So overall it consists of 13 abstract methods. Everybody's clear? Everybody's clear? Next, we have takes screenshot. We have takes screenshot. Take screenshot is the interface which consists of one abstract method. Next, we have JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor is the interface which consists of two abstract methods. Okay, then go to the next point. Take screenshot is an interface which consists of one abstract method. JavaScript executor is an interface which consists of two abstract methods. Everybody's clear till here? Everybody's clear till here? Next, we have a remote web driver. We have remote web driver is a class. What is this? We have remote web driver is the class which implements all the interface. Remote web driver is a class which implements all the interface. Understood the third point? Remote web driver is a class which implements all the interfaces. Next, we have Chrome driver is the class and Firefox driver is the class. Chrome driver, Firefox driver are the classes which extends remote web driver. Which extends remote web driver. I'll repeat it. Search context is a supermost interface here which consists of two abstract methods. WebDriver is an interface which consists of 11 abstract method, and here it extended two abstract methods, so it consists of what? 13 abstract methods. Okay, take screenshot is an interface and JavaScript executor is an interface, okay, which consists of the two abstract methods. WebDriver is a class which implements all the interfaces. Chrome driver and Firefox driver are the classes which extends remote web driver. Gecko driver is called as translator. It is not a class. Vikrant, it's a class. Firefox and Chrome driver are classes which extends remote web driver. Everybody understood this diagram? Everybody understood this diagram? Please copy down. Copy down this. Copy down this. Start writing in your notebook. Start writing in your notebook. Learn and write. Start writing in your notebook. Learn and write. Now, now look at my screen. First point. First point. Search context. Look at my screen. First point. What's the first point? Search context is the supermost supermost interface in Selenium, which consists of which consist of 11 abstract methods. Next, WebDriver interface which consists of good. I wanted to check whether you guys are alert or not. That means you guys are alert. Nobody is sleeping. Fine, good. Okay, which consists of two abstract method WebDriver interface, which consists of 11 abstract methods of its own. You don't write am, please. You don't write am. You write own. I mean full abstract method and two extended methods. Extended methods from search context. From search context. Next, we have JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor, which consists of one abstract methods, and we have takes screenshot interface, which consists of how many? Which consists of how many? Which consists of one abstract methods. Next, we have remote web driver. Remote web driver is the class which implements all the interfaces. Next, we have Chrome driver and Firefox driver are the classes which extends remote web driver. Chrome driver and Firefox driver classes which extends remote web driver. Okay, everybody understood? Start writing. Learn and write. Selenium. Don't write. First you look at my screen. Then you can write. Important methods of Selenium. Search context. Next. WebDriver interface. Next. JavaScript executor. Next, we have takes screenshot. Okay, so this is an interface, this is an interface, this is also an interface, and this is also an interface. Okay, let's see what are the methods it consists of. I told you, right? WebDriver interface, it consists of two abstract methods. One is find element, and one more is find elements. Okay, next here we have close method. Here we have get method. We have get current URL. Next, get page source. Okay, next, get title. Next, get window handle. Next, get window handles. Get window handles. It's handle. One is handle, one is handles. Okay, two different methods. One more is manage. Next, we have navigate. Navigate. Next, we have quit. Quit. Okay. Okay, one more is there. Okay, okay. Numbering is changed. Okay, okay, okay. Give me 1 minute. I will change it. Okay, I'll change it. Okay. There are 11 abstract methods, correct, right? And two extended from the search context. So navigate, quit. One more is what? Did I miss? Close, get. Okay. One more is switch to. One more is switch to. So here we have get screenshot as. Next year we have execute. One more is execute asynchronous script. Okay, but the spelling we spell like this. That's all. That's all. Asynchronous script. Okay, so these are the methods what I have. So I was just explaining you in the diagram the method names, just the methods, but these are the methods. Everybody understood? Okay, learn all the methods and start writing. Learn all the methods and start making a note in your notebook. Very important because we are going to learn this usage to write a program. Very important. Start learning. Everybody studied those methods? Okay, super. Now look at the screen, everyone. Please tell me, everyone, anyone in my class, tell me, what do you mean by upcasting? What do you mean by upcasting? Tell me, everyone.
Created an object of child class and store it as a parent.
Assigning
Okay.
the subclass object to the superclass object is called subclass.
Hiding the properties of the subclass and temporarily obtaining the properties of the superclass is called as upcasting.
Okay, next.
Converting certain
What else?
reference to superclass reference.
Okay. What else?
Creating the object of subclass and storing it in reference variable of supermost class.
Okay, stop. So good, good. Now tell me, very simple. What is upcasting? Converting the subclass object to supertype. Correct? Right? Converting the subclass object to supertype is called as upcasting, isn't it? Simple. Let me keep it very simple. Converting the subclass object to supertype is called as upcasting. Okay, now now tell me, can I do think and tell? Can I do upcasting from Chrome driver to search context interface? Can I do upcasting from Chrome driver to search context interface? Yes, because Chrome driver is a subclass and search context is a superclass. Chrome driver is a subclass and the search context is a superclass and search context is a superclass. So I can do upcasting from where Chrome driver to WebDriver search context interface. Now tell me, if I do upcasting from Chrome driver to search context interface, I can access only two abstract methods. Correct, right? It has how many? It consists of two abstract methods. Now tell me, is this two abstract method is enough? Is this two abstract methods is enough to write the program? No, that's not enough. Correct, right? So we can do upcasting from we can do upcasting from Chrome driver interface to search context interface. We can do, but I will not do. Okay, we can do, but I will not do. Why I will not do? Why I will not do? Because I can access only two abstract methods. That is not enough for me. I can access only two abstract methods. Clear? Everybody is clear? Okay, next. Can I do upcasting? Can I do upcasting from Chrome driver to WebDriver interface? Can I do upcasting from Chrome driver to WebDriver interface? Can I do upcasting from Chrome driver to WebDriver interface? Yes, I can do, and it is recommended file Selenium that I have to do what? Upcasting to WebDriver interface only. Yes, it is recommended that I have to do upcasting to WebDriver interface only because I can access 13 abstract methods. I can access how many? I can access 13 abstract methods. These 13 abstract methods are more than enough to write the program. Okay, this 13 abstract is more than enough to write the program. So it is always recommended that I need to do upcasting to WebDriver interface only. Clear? Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear? Okay, next. Can I do upcasting from Chrome driver to WebDriver interface? Can I do upcasting from Chrome driver to WebDriver interface? Yes, I can do, but I will not do. I can do, but I will not do. Why I will not do? Because remote web driver is the class which implements so many interfaces. So internally it has three, okay. But in if you look at the real time, it has 13 interfaces. It consists of so many interfaces, okay. It consists of what? It consists of so many interfaces. Now, if you when it extends so many interfaces, it will consist of so many methods. It will consist of what? So many methods. For example, if I wanted to access any one method, let's assume I want to access a close method. Okay, it takes time. It takes time. That means performance wise, it is bit slow. Means performance wise, it is bit slow. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Performance wise, it is bit slow. Clear? Okay. So you should always upcast it to WebDriver interface. In remote WebDriver interface, the performance is bit slow. That's the reason we always do upcasting to WebDriver interface, and it is recommended by Selenium as well. Understood? Everybody understood? Understood? Everyone? Okay. So we always doing upcasting to WebDriver interface. Now the question is, now look at what is upcasting? What is upcasting and why? Why we use upcasting in Selenium? Understanding what is upcasting and why we use upcasting in Selenium. Now see the answer. Converting. Converting subclass. Subclass object to super type. Converting subclass object to super type is called as what? Is called upcasting. It's called upcasting. In Selenium, we use upcasting so that we can access the methods of WebDriver. That's the first thing. Second thing, we can execute same method, or I can also call it a scripts on any browsers. On any browsers. Copy down this. Copy down this. Finished? 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 Understood? Have you studied? Guys, I'm giving you time. I know how much time it takes to write, but I'm giving you time for you to learn as well. Finished? Okay. Next question. Next question. Now look here. Give an example for. Give an example for upcasting and explain the statement in detail. Okay, give an example for upcasting and explain the status statement in detail. Okay, so we have already seen the upcasting statement. So what is the upcasting statement we have? We have upcasting statement, that is what? Web driver equals to new Chrome driver off. Okay, driver is equals to new Chrome driver off. Are you understanding? So web driver is equals to new Chrome driver off. Okay, so let me explain it to you. What is this individual? So what is web driver? What is driver? What is equals to? What is new? What is Chrome driver? And what is semicolon? Now look at my screen. Web driver. It is a interface. Web driver, it is an interface. Driver, it is a reference variable. Next, this is your assignment operator. New, it's a keyword to create object. Chrome driver is a constructor of Chrome driver class. Okay, with respect to Java, what is the use of it? It is used to initialize the object. Next, with respect to Selenium, it is used to open or launch the browser. Okay, so what is this? It is a separator. It is a separator indicates the end of the statement. Okay, everybody understood? From today onwards, we are going to use this upcasting statement. So what's the advantage of using upcasting statement? We can access all the methods of WebDriver interface. Okay, are you understanding? Okay, so copy down this, learn this, we'll start writing the code. Copy down this, learn this, we'll start writing the code. Done? 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 Completed? Guys, see, I don't want you to just copy and paste it, whatever is there in my screen. No copy pasting business. I want you to study. I want you to learn it in the class. I want you to be perfect. Okay? Studying and writing. That's the reason I'm giving you time as well. I told you in the beginning of the classes, you will not get sufficient time to practice. So that's the reason I'm giving you time in the class for practice as well. Are you all studying in the class as well? Yes, super. Done. Good. And now look at my screen. Let's start writing the coding. Now, other people, don't worry. I'll fix your issues. Okay? Other people, don't worry. Today I'll give you the recordings. I will fix all your issues. People who have okay, okay, we'll fix your issues. Not to worry. Today I'll give you the recordings. Go through it once. Go through it once. Okay, and tomorrow still you have a problem. I'll resolve it for everyone. Okay, so tomorrow is what day? Thursday. Okay, so this Saturday you'll have a class. Keep it in your mind. Okay, this Saturday. So last Saturday was holiday because it was in initial days. Yes, Rishikesh, hold on. I will do that. And guys, I keep telling you guys, you should be on time, you should be on time, you should be on time, and you guys are not doing that. So it's a MacBook and for Windows, it's the same process. There is no changes. Only the jar files, it has been changed. Okay, now look at my screen. That will help you out. Now look at my screen, everyone. Now, step number 1. Let me create a class. Let me create a class. Okay, now let me name it as test2. Let me select a main method. Let me click on finish. Let me click on finish. Now look at my screen, guys. Step number 1, what I need to do, I need to launch the browser. So what I'll do, I will always use upcasting statement here. Driver is equals to new Chrome driver off. Okay, so why is this red color line? Why is this red color line? Is there error? Why is this error red color line? Is there error? No, it's an import statement. Let me import WebDriver and also let me import Chrome driver. Let me import WebDriver and also let me import Chrome driver. That's the first thing. Okay. So once after launch the browser, what is the next step, guys? Once after launch the browser, what's the next step? I need to enter the URL. Correct? I need to enter the URL. Isn't it? Yes, once after you launch the browser, what's the next step you'll do? You will enter the URL of the class. Correct, right? Now, how do you enter the URL? How do you enter the URL? Now, look here. For that, I have a method. For that, I have a method called as get. Get method. Get is a method. It is used to. It is used to enter the URL inside the application and it will wait until complete pages loaded. Okay, so what's the use of get? Get is a method. It is used to enter the URL inside an application and it will wait until the complete page is loaded. Understood? What is the use of get method? Understood, everyone? What's the use of get method? Okay, now you can launch any application. You can launch any application. So tell me which application you want me to launch. Tell me which application everybody wants to launch. Facebook. Okay, let me launch the facebook.com. Let me copy the Facebook. Let me write here. Guys, look here. Don't type anything in Selenium. You should always copy paste it. I know you guys are very good, but still, okay, copy and paste it. Driver dot get get. Okay, are you able to see? Get is at the round color green. Green indicates what? Public. Can you see that ground color green? Green indicates public. On top of that, there is a small a. Can you see that green and small a? Can you see that green and small a? Green indicates public. A stands for abstract. Green indicates public. A stands for abstract. Public abstract method it is. What it is? Public abstract method. It's a public abstract method which is coming from where? WebDriver interface. Which is coming from where? WebDriver interface. So let me copy paste the URL. Understood? Everybody understood? Now, what's the use of get method? It is used to enter the URL and it will wait until the page is loaded. It is used to enter the URL and it will wait until the page is loaded. Now let me run the program. Let me run the program. It opens the browser. It enters the URL of facebook.com. It will wait until the page is loaded. Is it launched? Is it launched? Now, similarly, I want to launch the Amazon application. Similarly, I want to launch the Amazon application. Now, tell me, guys, how do I launch the Amazon application? You tell me, everyone, tell me. I want to launch the Amazon application. Tell me the steps.
URL for Amazon.
Then driver
is equals to
all
equal
the
to new of
method.
Chrome driver.
Chrome
Import web
new of
driver and
driver.
import Chrome driver.
Wait, why is that red color line? Why is that color line? What you should be
To
doing
import
for
a web
that?
driver and a Chrome driver.
Import.
You should
So
do
import that.
import.
Statement.
Correct. I need to import WebDriver and Chrome driver is coming from where? Selenium interface. Now I need to enter the URL. How do I enter the URL?
And
Get
Driver dot
Drive
How
dot
do
get.
I enter the URL?
Drive dot
Driver dot get.
driver get.
Now let me go to any
Copy the
application, any web application
private
you can take.
abstraction.
It's your
Amazon.
okay. Amazon.com.
URL and
Any
paste.
web application. Copy,
Paste
paste,
it into
We
the
have to
driver
and
dot
run the
paste it.
Copy
program.
URL and
Copy,
paste.
paste it, run the program. It opens the browser, enters the URL of Amazon.com. It will wait until the page is loaded. Can you launch any web application in this world? Can you launch any web application? Mute, please ping me. Can you launch any web application? Simple. Everybody understood how do you launch the browser and enter the URL? Everybody understood how do you launch the browser, enter the URL?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. Very good. Now, please mute, guys. Please mute. Quickly. Mute. Soumya, Neha, Charmi. Please mute. Mute. Abhilash. Mute, guys. If I mute, never you can speak. You mute fast. Okay. Now look at my screen, everyone. Now look at my screen now. Now, guys, when you launch an application, when you launch any application, okay, can you see this? What is this called as? Amazon.com spend less, spend less, smile more. Facebook login or sign up. What are this called as? What are this called as? These are called as titles of that page. What are this called as? Titles of that page. Correct, right? Now I want to print the title. Okay, I want to print the title. So how do I print the title? How do I print the title? Now look at my screen. So I want to print the title. Get title. So we have a method called it is used to get. It is used to get the title from the application. It is used to get the title from the application. Next, get current URL. It is used to get the URL from the application. Okay, so get title. It is used to get the title from the application. Next, get current URL. It is used to get the URL from the application. Now let's go make use of this thing in our code. Now if I want to get the title, what I will write? I will print it. Driver dot get title. So get title is also what? Public abstract method, which is coming from where? WebDriver. That's the reason I asked you to study the methods. Okay. Next, we have driver dot get current URL. This is also method which is coming from where? WebDriver. Now let me run the program. It opens the browser, enters the URL of Amazon.com. It will wait until the page is loaded. Is it printing the title? So this is the title. This is the URL. Is it printing the title and the URL? Now guys, if you observe every time I'm only opening, I'm only closing. I'm closing the application manually. Now let me write a code to close it. Driver dot, we have a method called what? Close. Now it will open, it will perform the action, it will close. See, it opens, it performs the action, and it closes. Okay, guys, this is not called as an error. This is not an exception. This is your internal server logs. Okay, this is your internal server logs. So not to worry about this. It is not your error. Okay, so is it printing the title and the URL? Is it printing the title and the URL? And the application got closed automatically? Application got closed automatically? Yes. So everybody make a note of it and execute. So can you launch any web application in this world now? Can you launch any web application? Yes, very good, super. Make a note and execute the code. Make a note and execute the code. People who have issue with the execution, hold on. Today I'll give you the recordings. Go through it. Go through those recordings and fix your issues and execute this program and come. Okay, understood? Everybody understood the program? Okay, make a note. Make a note. Start writing. Is Vaishnavi is there in the class? Sorry, not Vaishnavi, Shambhavi. Shambhavi. Shambhavi, what is this discussion group link? Can I know? Can I know about it? Are you there in the class, Shambhavi? One group is created. Why you wanted to do a replica of multiple groups? Hmm? What you cannot follow? If you cannot follow me, you can drop the class and you can join other class. Okay, what you cannot follow? Gular, please explain me what you cannot follow.
It's not about you, ma'am. The point is that we want to follow you. So some of the students like me think that agree that because people are asking every question, even another class question or non-topic question, and we had that experience in other class. And when I opened this morning, I saw that 130 messages come and it's not from you and from other student. So that's why we decided if the people want to have the discussion or to talk other stuff, so they can have another group to do it and we can follow your class, and whatever you write, we can follow you.
No, guys, that's not required, I guess. Is it required? Is a discussion group, whatever is created, is it required?
No, ma'am, but
I mean, every hour
Yes,
it's
yes, one.
almost 30-40 messages coming in, so I would like to listen to you, I would like to follow when you write something. But if everyone writes something and in an hour or 2-3 hours, if it's gonna be like 100-200 message, how I am gonna be able to follow you?
Guys, there should be no such groups created. Okay, and why are you posting Shambhavi in our groups? Guys, if I see this activities and all, I will just remove you from the groups. Not only from the groups, I
sorry,
will
ma'am.
remove you from the class
Will
as well.
not happen again.
Okay, no doing anything, any questions you have, any queries you have, I am here. Okay, I'm here to help you out. Okay, see guys, I don't want to start the session with clarifying your questions or clarifying your doubts in the beginning of the classes. Please understand, there are almost 700 people in the class. Out of 700 people, 500 people are working good. For everyone it is working good and they're executing the program. If I start the classes with a doubt clarification, 500 people will be wasting their time. Okay, for you also I am going to resolve your issue. I told in the beginning of the class, guys, I'll give you the recording, go through it, still you have a questions, till you have a doubts, I will resolve it for you guys. Okay, and if you're not listening, I seriously don't want so that kind of people in my class. Okay, see, I've just started with the basics. I didn't start with the core concepts of selenium yet. Okay, before I come to the core concepts of selenium, I have told you very clearly that I am going to clarify all your questions. And why for you so much of you don't have patience? Okay, and why are you creating this discussion group? May see future I'll only be confused, and you guys have added me also to that discussion group. Okay, which you have to follow one group, guys. See, I'll have so many works. I don't have so much of time to sit and discuss whatever you're doing. See, I'll tell you the reason of creating a WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group is created only for example, there is a cancellation of it, just for an information, nothing else, nothing else. Okay, and if you have any questions, queries, okay, to discuss that. So I should not see any other what duplicate groups, discussion groups or something else. Okay, if you have done that, please do delete it. No more that groups. Okay, only one group. Okay, so which group I've created? Who's the person who has changed the logo? Who is the person who has changed the name? Please don't do that, because I take multiple classes. I'll be confused what group it is, which group it is. Why are you doing such kind of things? Okay, please don't do that, guys. Further, I'll be confused. So instead of sharing you, I'll be sharing something else. Please don't do that. Who's changing that name of the group? Who's changing that logo? Please don't do this kind of things. Okay, please don't do that. Anything, any questions, any queries you have, please ask to me in the class. Okay, fine. I'm going to create one more WhatsApp group. Okay. What's your batch code? Can anybody? Yes, yes. Can anybody ping me the batch group? Can anybody ping me the batch code? Quickly, guys. Can anybody ping me the batch code? Newcomers who joined today. Did you guys understood today's concept? New people who joined today. Did you people understood today's concept? Today's concept is clear, but you will not be able to execute because you don't have softwares, correct? Right? I will add you to the WhatsApp group link. I'll post the videos to download, install it. Look at the video and download and install and come. Is it okay? Newcomers, is it okay? I'll share you this documents and programs from tomorrow's class. Okay, how many executed the code? Please ping me. I'll share you this documents and I'll share you this programs from tomorrow. We wanted to set off first with the WhatsApp group issues. Okay, then only I thought I'll share you the notes and documents. Give me 1 minute of time, and please don't change any logos or don't change any of the names, anything. Okay, that will leads me confusion. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, take whoever is not there in WhatsApp group, please join. Please join. I've shared you the WhatsApp group. And people who are already there in WhatsApp group, please don't join. People already there in WhatsApp group, please don't join to this group. Okay, only people who are not there, only you join. Okay, group is created in the broadcast. Now you can ask me a question. Ma'am, that link is not working. Okay, that link is not working, or I'm not able to join. If any issues like that, please ping her. Don't call her, ping this number. She will add you to the WhatsApp group. In case if you're not able to join, if you have any issues, okay, if you have any issues, then you can ping her, then she will add you to the WhatsApp group. Clear? Clear? Clear, everyone? Clear? Clear? In case if you're not able to execute, if you're feeling any issues, then you can call this number. She'll help you out with this. Okay? Okay? Fine? Done? Problem of, wait, listen. Problem of your WhatsApp group is resolved? Problem of your WhatsApp group is resolved? Now look at my screen. Today I'll share you the, after some time, okay? I'll share you the recordings. I'll share you the recordings of downloading and setup. Okay, look at the video neatly, understand it, and please do it and come. No ma'am, still we are facing an issue that we will resolve it in tomorrow's class. Fine. Look at the video, do it and come. Still issue that I will resolve it in tomorrow's class. Okay. Please, I hope everybody can understand English in my class. Mr. Uday Kumar. If you didn't receive the link, or if you have any facing an issue in the link, you have to contact this number, ping this number. She will add you. I hope everybody can understand English in the class. Correct? Notes will be shared to you guys in tomorrow's class. First, let's fix one by one issue. Today, I hope everybody would be joining the WhatsApp group. Tomorrow, I'll fix this issue. Understanding? Everybody understanding? Clear? Clear? Okay, guys. Everybody join the WhatsApp group. In sometimes I'll share you the this one recordings. You can go through it. You can download, install. No, ma'am. Still, we have an issue in downloading, installing. You can ask me. I'll help you out. Fine. Everybody's fine. Okay, guys. So I'll stop it here. So tomorrow I want everybody to complete because Friday onwards I am going to start with the core concepts of Selenium. Okay. So Friday onwards I'm going to start up with the core concepts of Selenium. But tomorrow I'm going to resolve everyone issues and I'll give you the recordings also. Everybody's issues should be resolved by tomorrow. Everyone's issue should be resolved by tomorrow. Understanding? Understanding? Okay, guys. I'll stop it here. Let's catch up tomorrow. I'll stop it here. Let's catch up tomorrow. Everybody understood today's concept? Everybody understood today's concept? Okay. See, recordings is being posted. Recordings is being posted. Am I going the same speed? The speed is okay? Speed is okay? Okay, you want me to go a little bit slow? You want me to go a little bit slow? No? Okay. Can we follow this? Okay. In the